Somewhere, a car has been counting. Every trip, every break, every mile. Kenn Dahl leased a Chevrolet Bolt, yet never caused an accident. In 2022, his insurance jumped. The renewal letter offered no explanation. 21% higher, no accidents. He called other insurers, same story. One agent mentioned a strange report. He seemed almost embarrassed to say it. LexisNexis, a name he'd never heard. He requested his file under federal law. The law is called the FCRA. 258 pages arrived by mail. 640 trips. Everyone? It was called a Consumer Disclosure Report. General Motors called it smart driving. They free out watching how he drove. They'll never open the owner's manual. The data went straight to LexisNexis, a company most drivers never hear of. He at least the car 8 months earlier. A practical choice, nothing unusual. LexisNexis built a division called Risk Solutions, yet log braking, acceleration, trip length. Dahl had no idea he was enrolled. The app came pre-installed in his Bolt. Turned into a school for insurers. At insurance companies pulled his file. In 1 month, without telling him. One entry 7 miles in 18 minutes. A trip to the pharmacy, most likely. He had never signed anything he remembered. The report knew things he had forgotten. 2 hard brakes, 2 rapid accelerations. It never listed where he had driven. The report was not about an accident. LexisNexis called it one factor of many. Insurers called it grounds to raise rates. Dahl called it something else, betrayal. By 2022, 10 million cars connected. Most automakers signed on by year's end. His premium stayed high for over a year. He paid for driving he could not see. He was not the only one enrolled. He was not the only one unaware. Dahl was not the first to notice. Reporters started calling other drivers too. In Florida, Romeo Chica leased a Cadillac. 7 insurance companies rejected him outright. He filed a lawsuit against General Motors. Not for money, for an explanation. The reporter who broke the story checked herself. She and her husband were enrolled too. Neither of them remember adopting. A senator sent letters to automakers. 14 companies. One question, what did you share? GM and the sharing that same mulch. Only after the story made headlines. No apology reached any of the drivers. The company called it a trust decision. In 2025, regulators finally intervened. The FTC barred GM from selling driver data. 5 years, that was the entire sentence. The data already sold stayed sold. Honda paid a fine the following year. Ford's fine came 1 month later. Dahl's insurance never dropped back down. California banned insurers from using this data. 49 other states did not. Most of the country has no rule. Your car can still report on you. The settlement records state the number. $20 million selling driving behavior nationwide. Dahl lives in Washington, not California. The math still favored the company. The report outlived the outrage it caused. 40 million vehicles are connected like his. Most owners have never read the terms. 10 million were already reporting by 2022. That number has only grown since then. Dahl still drives the same careful way. He still does not know what changed. The data broker still operates today, under new names and newer cars. 50 states, 49 with no protection. Your insurer may already hold a report. You never requested it. You cannot see it. It knows how you brake at night. It knows how fast you take a turn. It never needs your name to score you. It only needs your car's next trip. Somewhere a car is counting right now. Somewhere a driver has no idea. Kenn Dahl was just 640 trips. The car is still counting right now.